part of the game. It's a rich thing.
Oh, crappers. Doing. What is up, YouTube? It is your boy ithwitt, and I'm back again for another video. And today we finally start the go-kart build. Yes, we're finally starting it. My dad's gonna be working on a race tomorrow. I'm gonna be trying to take these decals off this mower, off this go-kart, and that's gonna be what today's video is. Let's get straight to it. Turn y'all around. Yeah, I do have a thing. As you can see, I already started right here. This is what this side used to look like. Just ugly. Have to come off. I'm gonna also have removed that one. You see, he's about to get up under this mower and have fun, because I've had enough time under this mower.
Right here in the U.S. Roze chicken is sourced from farmers that are committed to animal care. The chickens live on cage-free.
We're going to have to fix this. We jumping again? Okay, well, I'll fix and set me up a chair out here. Get my equipment ready. Man, y'all just keep going everywhere, guys. I'm sorry. My gimbal is acting up today, and I don't feel like going and grabbing the other camera. Nor do I feel like going and building a mountain accessory for it. Here, let me do something real quick to see if that... I don't know. There we go. Y'all are a little loose, but hey. So I'm going to start removing this. I'm using the old... Guys, I got to do a whole... Y'all comment down below if y'all want to see an episode of Living With My Dad. That episode would do good. Cause this dude... Alright, so last night... No. He took a crap so stunky, it stuck me out the house, okay?
Hey, Bill, when you gotta go, you gotta go.
This crap stinks. All I'm trying to do is remove this sticker. And this dude cannot stop shitting himself.
You got a fart, man. You got a fart, man.
I don't care. If I smell it and I'm 20 feet away, there's a problem.
Breathe through your mouth, not your nose.
No, I don't want to taste it. So basically,
Why waste it when you can taste it?
Oh, shut up. Guys, this is the type of relationship I have with my dad, okay? Y'all hands down, we may cuss each other out. We may act like we hate each other, but me and him really love each other. Anyway, so to get this started, I've already sprayed a little bit of some WD-40. I got the cheap name brand WD-40, you know. But basically, to get started, you spray it, and then you come up on it, and you just work it slow. Make sure you got the round edge out. A credit card will work. Any of that will work. So right here, I already got some. I don't want to hear about it. You're on your own. So basically, this stuff is being so much, I gotta spray more. Just let it soak. And yeah. I told you that. Come out here, get this nice and WD-40'd. You know, it's getting nice and good. Hope y'all enjoy this copyrighted music. Y'all may get a couple seconds copyright music, time lapse. Alright, now it's set for a little bit. We're going to come up in here and just start peeling at it. You want to have this end right here, the rounded end, up. But for me, I found that it works better when I just to start the peel when I have rounded end down. And then once I start it, I flip it. Kind of. Anyways, y'all don't want to sit here and watch me peel this for 30 minutes. So, yeah, we're going to get straight up into a time lapse. Alright, if my camera stops being a pain, I can get y'all straight up into a time lapse. Alright guys, that's as much as I can get done. Oh, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go put this stuff up and I'll be right back. So as y'all can tell, I got most of it off. I just had a little bit left and it's giving me the hell of a trouble. Giving me trouble. This is what it used to look like. So as y'all can tell, I did good. I'm pretty much just gonna leave the other side for now. I'm pretty well exhausted. Hope y'all enjoyed this quick video. Should be a short one. I'm about to hop up out of here, and hope y'all enjoyed it. Peace.